Next, we are going to discuss the major functions of female reproductive system. So, let us sum up the major function of reproductive system is oogenesis, fertilization, implantation, and parturition. These are the four main functions of the female reproductive system. Next, we are going to discuss that is hormonal control, how this reproductive system functions or acts. So all the functioning of this female reproductive system is under the control of what? Hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is a part of our brain. So this hypothalamus secretes a hormone that is called gonadotropin hormone, which stimulates anterior pituitary to secrete LH, luteinizing hormone, also called a follicle stimulating hormone. This luteinizing hormone further stimulates ovaries, and ovaries get stimulated, and these produces, we know ovary produces two types of hormones, one progesterone and other is estrogen. Progesterone is secreted by this corpus umbilicus and corpus luteum, and estrogen is secreted by mature Graafian follicle. So under the stimulation of what LH, luteinizing hormone, ovary secretes estrogen and progesterone. So as soon as the level of estrogen and progesterone increases in the blood, it ultimately acts as a negative feedback to hypothalamus that it has to stop its secretion of gonadotropin hormone. So as soon as the level of estrogen and progesterone rises in the blood, hypothalamus stops releasing gonadotropin hormone. So it is called negative feedback. And as soon as the level of estrogen and progesterone decreases after some time, so what happens, this low level of estrogen and progesterone automatically stimulates hypothalamus to start secreting its gonadotropin hormone. So it is called positive feedback. So this hormonal control keeps on like this. So let us discuss main functions of these hormones. So luteinizing hormone is secreted by anterior pituitary. It regulates the ovulation from the Graafian follicle. Second, transformation of empty Graafian follicle into first ovulation. Second function, transformation of empty Graafian follicle into luteinizing hormone and luteinizing corpus luteum and corpus umbilicus. And third, it involves in the secretion of what? Progesterone. So main function of luteinizing hormone. This progesterone secreted and estrogen secreted by these Graafian follicle, what are their functions? Estrogen regulates the growth and functioning of secondary sex organs of the female, and progesterone, it suspends the ovulation during pregnancy and promotes second function, implantation of fetus to the endometrium wall, and third, development of fetus in the uterus. All these important functions are done by this hormone, that is progesterone, which is secreted by corpus luteum or corpus umbilicus. So corpus umbilicus ultimately secretes one hormone that is called relaxin. This hormone broadens the pelvis of the female for easy parturition at the time of childbirth.